friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see what is meant by ASCII, and today we are going to code about ASCII. So before ASCII was developed, different makes and models of computers could not communicate with one another. Each computer manufacturer represented alphabets, numerals and other characters in its own way. IBM, International Business Machine Corporation, along used 9 different character sets. In 1961, Bob Bemer of IBM submitted a proposal to the American National Standard Institute (ANSI) for a common computer code. The X3.4 committee, with representation from key computer manufacturers of the day, was formed to work on the new code. On June 17, 1963, ASCII was approved as the American standard. ASCII uses 7-digit binary numbers, that is, numbers consisting of various sequences of zeros and ones. Since there are 120 different possible combinations of 7 zeros and ones, the code can represent 120 different characters. The binary sequence 101000, for example, represent an uppercase P, while the sequence 111140 represent a lowercase p. So this is the short introduction for the ASCII. So let us code about the ASCII. So I am opened my spider and I am giving the basic quotes from tkinter import for importing the library. After that we are giving root equal to tk, and then root dot title is ASCII. After that root dot geometry is 400x 400 for the piece size. After that root dot configuration, root dot configure, here background is equal to navy 1. Sorry, here no, here you can give navy or also cyan. Cyan is a blue color. Here single quotes. After that we are going to initialize the labels. enter underscore word is equal to entry root. After that enter underscore word dot place, here relx x position equal to 0.5, comma rel y position equal to 0.4, comma after that here anchor equal to center. So here we need to give label equal to label root comma text is equal to here ASCII comma bg equal to navy comma fg equal to maroon 1. This is for the colors we are giving. After that we need to define a function. Define ASCII converter input underscore word input underscore word equal to, here we need to give enter underscore word dot get. After that, here we need to give for letter in input word, here colon, then next label text plus equal to, str means string, don't forget, odd. So let's see what is meant by odd. Odd is a Unicode. First of all, we need to know what is meant by Unicode. We know what is meant by ASCII. It contains 128 encoding characters. But in Unicode, it contains 1 lakh encoding characters. But starting 128 in ASCII and Unicode are same. So we are giving odd letter. Odd letter means that will encode the character to the numbers. So after that, here plus double quotes, after that here we are coming outside of the function. We need to create a button now. btn equal to, all the one need to be in capital, btn equal to button root comma text, that is show name in ASCII. After that, we need to give comma, here we need to give comma command equal to ASCII converter. ASCII converter, and then bg equal to white, and then fg equal to black. After that, we need to initialize the button's place. So we are going to place the button. Instead of white, we need to give gold. Now here btn dot place relx equal to 5 comma re 0.5 comma rel y equal to 0.5. After that, anchor equal to center equal to center. Here I will give you a trick. We can copy this one and paste this, just changing the names and numbers. Here we will give the name as labels place. Here we initialize the label, that one's place. Label dot place, here it need to be 6. So my code has been completed, but important thing you need to do, that is initializing of pi. Pi means pop-up box, that is root dot main loop. So our code is completed. Now we can run our code. Now we not given the name for this one. We need to save now. So I am saving this one, and here I give the Python code. Here I am going to save as ASCII converter. Okay. ASCII converter, simple name. Save. We have saved this file. After that, we can run this code. So our code is finished now. I am running my code. Now you see, here is my code completed. I can give some alphabets. My name ANUB. Anub. Sorry, full name. Here it gives 65, 110, 117, 98, 110, 101, 116, 105, 114, 97, 110. This is my name's ASCII value. So this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my video. So please like and share my video. Thank you for watching. One main thing, you need to try this code and give the feedback about this one. If you have some doubts or any problems, please tell me in the comment. So thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.